In this video, I'll show you how to crochet the spiked sedge stitch. And trust me, it's a lot easier to do than it is to say. Although it may look complicated, it's made using just 3 basic stitches: the single crochet, the half double crochet, and the double crochet. I've placed links to the tutorials for those stitches in the description in case you need a refresher. For this tutorial, I'm using a number 4 medium weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook, but you can use whatever hook size and yarn you have on hand. My tutorials are in US crochet terms. Let's get started. The foundation chain for the spiked sedge stitch is a multiple of 3 plus 2, so I have a chain here of 17. Our first row is a row of single crochet stitches. So in the second chain from the hook, and in each chain across, we'll make a single crochet stitch. When you get to the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. Now we'll start the sedge stitch pattern. So this chain 1 does not count as a stitch. So in that very first stitch at the base of the turning chain, we're going to make a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. We're going to skip 2 stitches and do the same thing in this stitch: a single crochet, a half double, and a double. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. And we'll continue that to the end of the row, skipping 2 stitches, making a single crochet, a half double, and a double, skip 2, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. And when we have 3 stitches left, we'll skip 2, and in the last stitch we make 1 single crochet stitch, and then we chain 1 and turn. So now we'll start the spiked pattern of the spiked sedge stitch. So in this very first stitch, which is a single crochet from the previous row, we're going to make a single crochet and a half double crochet. But instead of putting our double crochet in this stitch, we're going to put it into the single crochet from the row below. So let's take a closer look at that row below. You've got your 2 skip stitches, and then there's a stitch before that. That's your single crochet. So you're going to make a double crochet into that stitch. So skip 2 stitches into the single crochet. You're going to make a single crochet and a half double crochet, and then we're going to make our double crochet into the row below. So looking at it again, we've got 2 skip stitches, and then we have this stitch, which is our single crochet from the row below. We're going to yarn over and make a double crochet stitch. And don't make your double crochet too tight. You don't want it to pucker. So let's do that again. Skip 2, insert your hook, make a single crochet, a half double crochet, and then find that single crochet from the row below. So there's our 2 skip stitches. So that's our single crochet stitch. We're going to make a double crochet. Skip 2, single crochet, half double crochet, and into the single crochet from the row below, our double crochet stitch. Skip 2, single crochet, half double crochet, find that single crochet from the row below. So there's our 2 skip stitches. Here's our single crochet and make a double crochet. We've got 3 stitches left, so you're going to skip 2, and in this very last stitch you're going to make a single crochet stitch and then chain 1 and turn. For every remaining row, repeat the same sequence. Work a single crochet and a half double crochet into the next stitch, and then make your double crochet into the single crochet from the previous row to create the spike. The first single crochet of the previous row is always hard to find. It's quite a bit smaller than the other stitches. So just look for the 2 skip stitches and then make your double crochet into the stitch before that. And then skip 2 stitches and repeat across. Finish each row with 1 single crochet stitch. And that's how you crochet the Spiked Sedge Stitch. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss a new video. Thanks for watching.